In the last video, I mentioned that I'm going to add another type of amplifier in this channel, not only with a Class D, but this time with a Class A power amplifier. And here it is, a very popular amplifier known as AMP. DIY amplifier build hobby has been enjoyed by many individuals around the world. It provides a lot of self-fulfilling by appreciating yourself, what it can do, and finally enjoying the benefits of listening to a hi-fi music in our daily routine. But I go beyond that. It's because I am actively sharing my DIY build, telling everyone with my collaboration with my team, a team that empower who helped me to make this project, and showing this project to major shows like the Manila Mini Maker Fair, and even fly to different places to showcase like the Arduino Day. I'm telling everyone this project is awesome. We're in a group of Facebook we call DIYers. That is a bloody DIY making amplifiers. These are fashionable with audio amplifiers. What is the secret, you may ask? This amplifier was brewed in an FB forum with about 49,000 members. We're actually looking for a simple, decent, and easy to build for audio hardware starters. And my team, we come up with a solution called Campana, which later I call it based on my build, Nathan Winterkamp. Thanks to the real designer, Nelson Paz, the AMP, which is awesome, simple, and magnificent sound quality. To make the project something special, I made some changes by not using an external heatsink. Yes, it should use a big heatsink because this is a Class A power amplifier. So the major things I'm going to implement here is that I'm not going to use an external heatsink as other DIYers normally does. Instead, I'm going to make use of the aluminum case as its heatsink. This may cause an issue because of the fact that Class A generate a lot of power. Well, that is the truth and not a fact. So I do a lot of tests here, tests there, and a lot of tests on temperature. And later on, I call this project as a Winter Campana amplifier, or simply Winter Camp for short, which in case I failed, then this amplifier will be used only during the winter season, where my place in China goes down below freezing point. It's actually Winter Campana amplifier is an scapegoat name because I'm not really sure at the time if this method of mechanically removing the heatsink will fail or not. So you know now where the project name came from, the Winter Campana amp. Makes sense? I am not fully convinced when the environment is like about 36 degrees like the Philippines, as my test was done in November, which is a bit cold in China. So what I did was I need to make use of an intelligent controller to do the monitoring, checking, and making a fast decision. What it does in the protection is to monitor the temperature, and it will shut down the system when it exceeds the limit. That will solve my worries. The other thing the AMPduino does is it provides me a good human-machine interface, or HMI, with a nice Nextune 2.4 LCD. This is another awesome. And one thing more is that I need to inspire my fellow hobbyists to do a better DIY audio amplifier by making their DIY build talk to the user using a powerful MMI or man-machine interface. Isn't it good if you display your girlfriend's name or your wife picture on your masterpiece? For me, the picture I'm displaying in front of the front panel of my amplifier is my Nathan baby. But wait guys, you may ask why I need to use an Arduino solution as I'm using and making a tutorial for the legendary the Intel 8051 Core Micro. Well, I just have to open my mind, keep learning, and keep improving. I'm also learning the 32-bit micro called STM from ST Electronics, and I invested a hardware and time. It's actually the future, so I need to take care of it. One of the good things in DIY is that you can do all the idea running in the nerve of your brain. All you have to do is download it and put it into a real action, real world performance, whether this is a circuit, mechanical design, or software programming. Alright, go DIYers! I told myself I must finish this on Christmas Eve, almost 1 month when I started the project, and run, I did it! Here is the completed Nathan Winter Camp on Christmas Eve, providing the nice music while embracing the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. The family was enjoying, and the atmosphere can just be described as awesome.